Rock Pat here. Hi guys, it's a chilly day in the jungle. Man, it is December the 20th, 5 days from Christmas. And man, can you believe Christmas is already here? Cannot believe it's already here. All right guys, so what's going on is on Friday, I got Johnny here in his 3 coats of high build after giving him a coat of epoxy. And remember I told y'all I was thinking about that other Blazer that I remembered I had? So Saturday, during like a cold front coming in while the rain and everything, I made the trip to not 1, but to 2, and then to 3 Harbor Freights, looking for one of them worm screw manual winches. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Because on Sunday, which was yesterday, I made a trip up to my property to go and retrieve said, yeah, you know what? Look, man, I didn't want any work, but here it is. And yeah, I'm sure I'll make some money off of this dude. There you go, Rat Rod Bob. Think about you, boy. Kid goes over there. I got to get it ready for him to go back to Mississippi. Anyway, drove 100 miles and went up there and picked up this little S10 that I had bought a year and a half ago or so, when we were looking for all those small block Chevys that I was looking for, that Cleveland engine. Remember Cleveland engine? Well, this is what Cleveland was in. So I went and picked this up because what I was looking at was this panel right here is crunched on Johnny. So I was looking for that. Also, this fender is crunched on Johnny. And this fender is in perfect shape. Nothing wrong with it. So, unfortunately, Mr. Cleveland here is going to meet his demise. I usually do not like tearing a car apart that's in this good of a shape. Okay? But I do not have paperwork on Cleveland. And I paid $400 for Cleveland. And, yeah, we're going to mine Cleveland for some parts. I do not need that bumper. Here's that little winch that I did, and I converted it like they show everybody shows on YouTube how to convert it. So I converted it to a drill and pulled the truck right up on here. So some other things that I am going to get off of Cleveland here is, remember we were talking about that panel that's on this panel right here? Okay? Yeah, you see that? Pristine. We will be cutting this out of the truck. Unfortunately, I have to take his wig off. Old boy's gonna get a haircut here, and I'll be taking that part of the roof apart so that we can get everything that we need to fix him and everything. But there's some other bonus things that are going on here. Okay? One, the gas tank's at the back, and I need to look and see how I'm gonna be able to relocate the gas tank from the saddle to back here. And then move the gas door, maybe. Well, that's still a maybe. We don't know yet, okay? And then there's the panel right there that would go inside the bed to cover up the fuel hose. So that's a possibility there. Also, the bed itself has issues with the bed, and here's some pristine bed fixing material going on inside of here. Okay, so we got that. And also, remember that the bed has a crunched corner, okay, that I was going to have to cut off and fix. The Blazer has the same corner right there. Just cut this one off and put it on the other bed. So there is my fix for the bed. The only other bad news is, let's go back over here, okay. The bad news is I cannot get a rocker panel, okay? So my rocker panel issue is that I gotta make it. I'm not my rocker panel, I'm sorry. Not the rocker panel, but the cab corner. I can't get this cab corner, so I have to make it. So, yeah. Can't buy one. They're all on back order. Got struck out 3 places, including Eckler's, twice on eBay. They returned my money, and once on Eckler's, they couldn't get it either. So we're gonna have to make that. I got some MDF to make a hammer form and all that, and that's what we're gonna do. But that's the update for Monday, December the 20th, on our 1988 S10 V8 build, winter build. All right, guys, well, that's enough of my time and your time and everybody's time. I got things to do. I got to get rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And y'all keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.